Hey everybody, Mr. Mulrooney here. Just wanted to check in, hope that you are all safe and at home and taking care of your family and hopefully finding a little bit of time to relax. What we're going to do with our math is we're going to pick up where we left off and we're going to get through as much as we can. If you remember where we left off, we were working with decimals. So today we're going to take a little bit of step further and we're going to be looking at percents. And that's what we have here. It says percents are based on 100 parts. If our work is 75% complete, then 75 out of 100 parts of our work would be finished. We can also think about percents in terms of shape, a shape containing 100 squares. So this block that we have over here on the right has 100 squares in it. 24 of these blocks are shaded in, so if you see, we have 10, 20, and 4. So we could say that 24% of that shape, that block, has been shaded in. Or another way of saying that would be 24 out of 100 of that shape has been shaded in. So if we were to do the same thing for these ones, to write them as a percentage of a percent and as a fraction, we can count how many we have. We would have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We could say we have 47% of that shape shaded in, or 47 out of 100. Same goes here. We can count for the next one. We can count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. We could say that that shape has 90% shaded in, which is a high number, and you notice that a lot of that shape is shaded in. Or we could say 90 out of 100. And the last one we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We could say 9%, which is a small number, and you see not very much of that shape is shaded in, or 9 out of 100. Let's continue through. This is a multiple choice question. It says, which of these figures has 33% shaded in? So that would mean 33 out of 100 boxes shaded in. So if I count the first one, 10, 20, 30, 40, I'm already over. This one actually has 46. I can count the next one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 7. This one has 77. Too high. 10, 23, 23, not quite 33, and the last one, 10, 20, 30, and 3. 33 for this one. So figure 4 is the one that has 33%. We're just counting. So if we're paying attention to some of our work that we have here, if we look at something like, we'll say 67% or 67 out of 100, if we put either of these into our calculator, we hit 67 and we hit the percent sign, or if I put in my calculator 67 over 100, well, that's just a division. Remember, we have 67 divided by 100, and if I calculate that, what we'd end up getting is 0.67, and all these are equal to each other. That's what percents are. They're just a way of writing 0 decimal the number. So 67% or 67 out of 100 or 0.67 would all be the same value, just 3 different ways of writing the same calculation. And that's number 1. You can go to the worksheet and give it a shot. And